guys, I just got this package today from Walmart. It's pretty long and Zebra's purse. These 2 drinks are for her and that flower's for the bird. Let me open it up. Okay? So, I just got them out of the racks. Let me get this settled. Got her from her box. There's 2 things out that are so hard to get out. I think I just want to pull her head off. Take her out. Paper. Okay. I just got my giraffe out. Now we gotta get everything else out. I just gotta get everything else out. That's superly hard for some reason. Especially my little body. And I don't have my backstory button on my phone. I'm sorry for the loudness. Should have warned you before you got in this video. On the description, you know it's gonna say, I believe. I'm just gonna think about it a little while. Oh my god. It's like glued to the piece. It's like glued. Oh my god. Why is it not getting out? Okay. We just got it out. Got everything out. Just got everything out now. So here's the 2 of the X's that I just got. Oops. And ta-da! Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. She's a birdie. Let's look at Let's look at the magazine thing that you get. Whoa, this thing's huge. This is my first one I believe I got in the package. So, I never got this thing. Whoa. Is there more stuff on the back? Oh my god. So much things. I'm trying to look for the one that I just got. Oh, I don't see it anywhere. Like, I don't see it anywhere. Just tell me if she's in there. So let's get the accessory on then both. And maybe we're going to show them one more time with their accessory on. She looks so cute. They both do. Oh man, the accessory just fell. Beautiful purple flower for the birdie. I'm gonna put it on our head. Ugh. Okay. We got them on. I did not realize there was a hole in and the front of the giraffe in the package. So here's her again with her accessory. It's her again with her accessory.